Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the basics of the Selenium automation tool. Selenium is a very powerful automation tool that allows you to automate most of the things that you do on your browser. This video is aimed to teach you this tool so that you can save time on your work. This video will be an introduction to Selenium tool, however, we will dive into advanced usage of Selenium. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this. So, let's start. First of all, we need to install the Selenium package using pip install Selenium command. After we install Selenium, we also need to install the suitable web driver of our Chrome browser. I will show you how to check the version of your Chrome browser. Click on three-dotted menu on your Chrome browser, then hover on the Help section, then click on About Chrome. You will see your Chrome version on the open page. After this step, click on the link in description box to download the necessary web driver for your Chrome browser. Then, unzip the downloaded file and put the exe file in a convenient place. You can put it into your project folder like me. But actually, if you are using the newest version of Selenium, you don't have to download the web driver since it comes with Selenium Manager by default, which automatically detects and downloads necessary packages for your browser. Let's do some coding. First things first, import necessary packages and libraries. Create a new instance of the web driver. Here, I'm using Chrome. Maximize the browser window after launch. Navigate to google.com. Wait for a few seconds, you might need to adjust this depending on the website. Find an element by its name attribute and perform an action, like typing. Press Enter to submit the search. Wait for a few seconds to see the results, you might need to adjust this. Close the browser window. And there you have it. You just learned the basics of Selenium in just 2 minutes. That is awesome. For more videos like this, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Happy coding!